Who, me?
Come here.
Okay.
You want to buy some drugs?
Well, golly, I don't know if I should.
Come on, kid. They're cool.
Cool. I'll show you what's cool.
Inspectah Cash Money saying drugs are heinous, letting you fools know that they're not bodacious. And if I ever catch you taking them, you know that I'll punch you with my fist. See, I come from a town where doing bad things make you look like a clown. And if I see you looking like a clown, I won't hesitate to beat you to the ground. Okay. Here I come. When you use drugs, you aren't using your noggin. And if I give you a few good floggings, maybe, just maybe, your mind will start jogging. And then you'll realize that drugs are bad.
Drugs are bad.
Hey, what's up? I'm not your dad, but I'm here to tell you that drugs are bad. You heard me right, now listen here. Hey, little mama, let me whisper in your ear. If I see you doing drugs, I'll report you to the cops. They'll put you in jail and make you stop. You'll spend your days locked in a cell, all because someone was a tattletale. That was me. Yeah, it's your boy Neo. Not even once, you already know. Yeah, that's right. I'm sick when I rhyme. I guess I gotta go cause I'm out of time. But first, yeah, listen to this warning. Drugs will kill you and your family will be mourning.
Hey there kiddos, it's me, LSD. Let's stop drugs as a team. I love to hang out and hit the dab with friends, but only the dance move to keep up with the trends. I got my shades on and my cool kid shoes. I'm a hip teen, just like you. Doing bad things is a major L. Don't get drugs to buy or sell. Come on everybody, let's raise the roof and say doing drugs is a major oof.
Drugs are bad.
I was chilling at the mall when I saw something sad. Someone smoking up, that's not rad. I had to run over to them and yell, hey, stop it, get some help. So when you see someone with weed or crack, you gotta go tell them it's totally whack. If we team up and help all our pals, we'll stay drug-free, victory royale.
Drugs are bad.
You see, drugs are bad for you.
Bad. Badass.
Well, what are you gonna do?